Good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, and I am back with you to go over what we're going to do today for writing. So, yesterday you filled out this informational explanatory paragraph organizer. At the top, you should have filled out what I filled out, and at the bottom, you should have 4 ideas about Santa, at least 4 ideas about Santa. So, you need to find this paper and get it. If you need to pause the video, do that. And then we're going to work on filling out this sheet. So you also need this sheet, okay? So you're going to need both your paper from yesterday and this graphic organizer sheet, which is in your packet. So like I said, pause the video if you need to grab those things. And then we're going to take these ideas to complete this graphic organizer. All right, so if you're back, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this paper. It says right here at the top, it says topic. The T stands for topic. So think about, what are we writing about? We're writing about Santa. So I thought of 2 really good topic sentences, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use yet. It says, Santa Claus spreads joy at Christmas. That could be my topic. Or I put, do you know about Santa? ? So your topic sentence is what you're talking about, what you're telling about in your paragraph. And we know we're talking about Santa. So I'm going to give you an example topic sentence. You can use my topic sentence if you want. If you can come up with your own topic sentence, that's even better. So I'm going to use the topic sentence, Santa Claus spreads Christmas joy. I ran out of room on my line. So there's my topic sentence. And remember, I said you can write your own topic sentence, but remember, it's just a general statement about Santa Claus. All right. Now, next, we're going to take our brainstorming sheet, and you're going to decide which 2 do you like the best? Which 2 ideas do you like the best? So if I look at mine, because this one would be an example for you, this is mine. So I'm going to pick the 2 that I like the best. I think I'm going to choose this, but I'm also going to put this with it. I'm going to use those 2 together. And I'm also going to use this one. So I want you to pick out the ones that you like the best, and you're going to circle them on your paper. Then you're going to take those ideas and you're going to write them in sentence form on this paper. So I'm going to look at my sheet here. Mine says, drives a sleigh and has reindeer that fly. So first I'm going to take drives a sleigh, and I'm going to write my first big idea. I'm going to put, he has a sleigh he drives. So what I did was I took this drives a sleigh and I turned it into this sentence. He has a sleigh he drives. Now I want to add a detail about the sleigh he drives. And that's why I circled he has reindeer that fly, because I thought those 2 went together. So now I'm going to write my detail about the fact that he has a sleigh he drives. So I'm going to write his reindeer use Christmas magic to make his sleigh fly. So this sentence goes with this big idea. He has a sleigh he drives. His reindeer use Christmas magic to make his sleigh fly. So now I already have 1, 2, 3 good sentences. Now I'm going to choose my other big idea. So I'm going to go back to my paper that I circled right here. And I picked many names, St. Nick, Santa Claus, and Kris Kringle. So I'm going to write my big idea here. I'm going to write Santa has many names. And I also on my paper, I've put down some examples of his names. So I'm going to use those in my detailed sentence. So I'm going to put some people call him Saint Nick. Santa Claus, or Kris Kringle. Notice how I used commas because I have a series, a list. I have Santa Claus, Saint Nick, Santa Claus, Kris Kringle. So I used commas to separate them like we were working on last week. Now I have a big idea, a detail, a big idea, a detail. That's all I need for today for my big ideas and my details. However, if you want to get a 4, you could write one more big idea and one more detail. That would go above what I'm expecting of you. All right. At the bottom, it says C. That means conclusion. So conclusion is how you wrap up your paragraph. Your conclusion usually has something to do with your topic sentence, or it just is a good way to end your paragraph. So for my conclusion, and you can use the same conclusion sentence if you want. If you want to think of your own, you can. Mine is going to be, what do you know about Santa? Period. All right, so we've got Santa Claus spreads joy, Christmas joy. Remember, you can use that one if you want, or you can write your own. But you're going to choose your big ideas and your details. So you're not going to copy mine. You're going to write your own using your paper from yesterday and your ideas. And then you're going to write a conclusion sentence. Ooh, I need a question mark here. That's a question. If you want to use my conclusion sentence, you can. If you want to write your own, that's even better. All right, so this is what we're going to do for today for writing. If you are done with the video, I will see you back tomorrow, and we're going to take this and put this together in a nice paragraph on our writing paper. And I will talk to you about that tomorrow.